be singing C'est la vie. It feels just right. It's a brand new day. I can hardly wait. So for goodness sake, I think it's time. Yeah. Let's tell the world about it. Help spread a little light. It all comes back around. It feels so good to be alive.
Check. When I get excited, I go real loud. Front Porch Plug. Hey, Facebook friends. I'm Amanda Brewer with Texas Farm Bureau Insurance, and today I am having my second episode of Front Porch Plugs, where I business plug my friends who are local business people. They either own the business, or they operate the business, or they own a franchise, and help get their name out there so that we can get back to work. So it's really important to support your community. Shop local, eat local, hire local.
Be local.
Be local.
Yeah.
Be local. We got to get our economy back up. One of the things I wanted to do was just showcase some of my local business owners, get their name out there, show my love and support. So that's what Front Porch Plug is all about. This is my second episode, so I'm real good at it.
Yeah, well, that's okay.
Polished. But today I would like to interview my good friend Pam, and she is with U.S. Health Advisors. She is a health insurance expert, and it is a area of insurance that I have no desire to learn about. So I happily refer my business people to Pam. So we're just going to get to know you a little bit today.
Okay, fantastic. Well, let's do it.
Yeah, let's get started. So Pam, what do you do?
Well, it's not sexy. Let me say that. However,
Insurance is not sexy.
It is not sexy. The best way to describe me, Amanda, is I specialize in helping individuals and small business owners, or people that do not have access to big corporate style plans, find good, affordable health coverage. And I really, when I say specialize, I specialize with the individual because it's important for me. I mean, I have access as a local agent to anything in the state. So ACA, Marketplace, Obamacare, that's all one thing. Where I specialize is helping the individual reach the individual goal. It's like your shopping cart versus your neighbor's shopping cart at Walmart. It's different. Your needs are different, my needs are different, their needs are different.
Right.
So I really like to talk with them. I want to know what's important to them. What do they need it to do for them? So a lot of times just by kind of talking with them and finding out what their needs are, how often they go, what type of medications they take, stuff like that, I can then build a plan or make a couple of recommendations, certainly for them to choose from.
Awesome.
And most people are very comfortable in doing that, especially when you can relate back to, okay, is this right? This is what you want me to do.
Right.
So I try to help them. I don't help everybody in terms of, I personally can help them with anything in the state of Texas as well as 20 other states. Okay.
That's awesome.
However, it doesn't matter if I sell anything. My goal is to truly help. And that's the difference in me and the next agent that you're going to find, kind of like you.
Right.
I want to know, if I pass you in the grocery store, are you going to run from me
Yeah.
and hide on a different aisle? Are
Yeah.
you going to say, hey, girl, what's up? That's
Yeah.
who I want.
Yeah. You people who hide from me because you think all I talk about is insurance, I also talk about wiener dogs.
Gotcha. Right. So kitty cats, wiener dogs, we got it. But I mean, I think that's what separates us
Right.
from the typical agent
Right.
that has put a stigma in people's minds. We want to know and sleep well at night knowing that we've helped them and their family.
Absolutely.
Health coverage, it's like a mortgage payment. Ain't gonna get better.
Yeah.
FYI.
Yeah, I went to Guitar Center today. They helped me get this rig up so that we could hear each other and make this thing better. And
spiffy.
the guy that was helping me out, he told me that his health insurance for him and his family is more than his mortgage.
Mm-hmm.
It was just astounding. And then I thought about it, and ours is really close. Health insurance is expensive.
It is very expensive, and like automobile insurance, homeowners insurance, anything else, it has a value, right?
Right.
So, do you want it to be your mortgage? No.
But
you want it to cover what your needs are. I have a
Insurance
lot
coverage.
of different things for not just the individuals, but for business owners as well.
Right.
And for their employees, so that they can retain those good employees, but
Yeah.
also do something, for themselves. And individuals, I mean, even now you're seeing more and more companies. What is real unique is I'll use our educators. Their plans are expensive, and for them, it's great. As the employee, it's a phenomenal benefit. And not just them, a lot of companies are going to this, is that it's very expensive to add the spouse.
Yeah.
So that's where I can help them.
The spouse coverage
I'm not trying
is
to take
expensive.
the teacher. I'm not trying to take the employee. Get that benefit.
Right.
My job is stay where you are. You're in a great plan. Let me see if it's viable for me or a cost save for you and your family
Right.
for me to do the spouse or.
Yeah. When you say small businesses, like, what is your ideal number of employees? I mean, because when I was talking to a big bank about the government loan, they said that small businesses were anybody who had a revenue of less than $5 million. And I don't know about you, but $5 million seems like a lot of money. And I feel like a real small business compared to $5 million. And, but anyway, so I got put on the back burner because I didn't make $5 million last year.
Right.
I'm not at all bitter about that. Anyway, so is it like 5 employees, 50 employees, up to 500? What is a small business for you?
Okay, so for me particularly, the way it works for our side in terms of health coverage or health insurance is going to be on number of employees. Every state government law states that if you have 50 employees or less, you are not required to cover any type of benefits as an employer. So
Okay.
50 employees or less is a small business.
Right.
There are some benefits for business owner if they have an offer even half of a cost of whatever. It could be a dental, a vision, it could be just a blanket supplement, certainly. But it doesn't have to be a full medical policy. It could be anything as a benefit, right? And anything is a tax advantage for the employer if they're paid for. And there's no guidelines as to who.
Gotcha.
That's totally up to the employer.
Gotcha. I have to check this real fast because I totally touched it and I don't want to put it in slow-mo again. Oh, good. We're not in slow-mo.
Good.
Check, 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 check. No, I think we're good.
Good.
What did you do before you sold health insurance?
I was with the same company for 22 years in the financial industry. I grew up in the company. Same company, never changed jobs.
Did you like that?
Yeah, I loved it. And because it was doing what I was passionate about doing, which was helping people.
So what made you get into health insurance? Because health insurance is like insurance in general, where the most calls you get are people complaining that the rates are too high or this is happening, or, nobody goes out and is like, I'm going to buy some insurance today. Because nobody buys insurance because they want to buy insurance. They buy insurance because the Texas state or the Texas driver's license people say you have to have it, or your mortgage company says you have to have it, or
the government says we're gonna penalize you.
The government says we're going to charge you a bunch of money on your
Right.
taxes if you don't have it. I mean, thank goodness that's gone now.
It's gone.
But most people don't buy insurance because they want desire insurance. They buy insurance because somebody told them they have to. So
Right.
why did you decide to sell health insurance?
Doing business development in the finance world for so long, I realized that one of the biggest complaints for small businesses was health insurance. So, like you said, insurance is insurance, and it is not sexy. We know that. It's an area that people need to trust and value somebody, and I felt like I could be that void.
Very nice. You just want to help people.
I do. Truly. Yeah.
That's fun.
I'm good at it.
All right, are you ready for rapid fire?
I am ready, girl. Send it to
Rapid
me.
fire!
Woohoo!
All right. What is a book that you recommend?
Okay, so you're going to laugh, and I'm probably going to date myself, okay? So, Winning Friends and Influencing People has
Yes!
probably been my number one book for
a great
whenever I'm
book.
in. I've read it numerous times.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is a podcast, vlog, blog that you recommend, that you like to listen to or watch that helps motivate you?
So, my latest podcast has been from a social media guru, and actually subscribed to his, and his name is Robert Stiletto. He's a social media guru, and he talks about how to market, how to brand. But what he does that I like so much is be you. Don't duplicate, don't replicate, be you.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of value in that.
Last rapid fire question. Are you ready?
I think I am.
You said you were in 22 states.
Correct.
What are they?
Obviously, Texas, of
Okay.
course. Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Arizona, Indiana, Virginia, Pennsylvania.
Woo! So if you live in one of those states, you can still call Pam. She's the best. Final question.
I'm ready.
How can my friends get in touch with you and then become your friend so you can help them with their insurance needs?
Like and share this video.
Like and share this video.
Ta-da! Always call you, of course, because you have my business cards.
Yep.
But Pam Davis, U.S. Health Advisors, my personal cell phone number is 850-585-6008. If you drop a comment below, I'll be glad to message you, call you, or you can message me and call me at your convenience.
What's your email address?
It is pamela.davis@ushadvisors.com.
All right, friends, that wraps up our second episode of Front Porch Plugs. Like and share this video like Pam said, because that's the only way that we're going to be able to get out there and support our local businesses. It's been really fun hanging out with you today. Bye! Thanks again for joining us here on Front Porch Plugs. And don't forget that the best way to support your community is to shop with local businesses and support your neighbors. I'm Amanda Brewer with Texas Farm Bureau Insurance. And if you need some good insurance coverage or you don't know where to go, give me a call. I can save you some money. Bye! Hey, babe.
Hey, gorgeous.
What's happening?
Not much. I'm just real hungry and I want to go eat some food.
Yeah, and your eyes are doing that closey thing because you're sleepy.
I've had a bad headache all day long.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I'm here for you because I love you.
I appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
Spike the volume.
It's so high.
Final question.
Hey!
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
We are videoing.
We're
good.
done video.
We are recording.
Oh, you can come out here. We're
I
good.
heard you talking.
Jeremy is the loudest cookie crumble eater.
I'm the loudest cookie crumble eater, I think.
Are you snacking on some pickles? I heard that crunch.
I heard that crunch.
Blast it.
The last
Blast it.
I was just thinking the same.
Oh,